April's mobile home journey. I am here on the site where the house has been delivered. The construction crew has gone, so I just have the perfect time to come down here and see what we have exactly. I can't go in, but I can look around. They have the house sitting on some cinder blocks, and eventually all of that will be covered up with the skirting. Look at that. That's amazing. That's my house. I'm so excited. This is the front part. I'll try to let you see the bottom. Well, that's going to be covered up. Windows. I love big old windows. These tree stumps they never did get rid of, but I could have those pulled up or turn them into some tables or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is underneath the house. It's really creepy down here. Look at all that. This is big as 80 feet. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that they already built the back deck. This is awesome. I didn't even see this. I'm seeing this for the first time. Look at that. They already built the back deck. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look, they're not finished, but they did start on it. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so exciting. This is where I'm going to have all my barbecues, pull out the grill and party and celebrate. Wow. This is so amazing, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for following me on my journey. I'll see you in the next one.